Hey friends! Today I am going to unbox this 24 metallic watercolor by Arteza. So let's start. Okay, this is a 24 watercolors metallic by Arteza, and this includes a water brush pen. So let's check it out. This is a water brush pen. Let's see. Yeah, this is like medium brush, and let's open this. Include the chart in white paper and black paper. And here the watercolors. So we have diamond white, lemon yellow, gold, Aztec gold, copper, glowing peach, ballerina pink, watermelon pink, cherry blossom pink, iridescent pink, orchid purple, lilac plum, powder blue, sky blue, frosty blue, cactus green, jungle green, iridescent green, lettuce green, lime green, bronze, silver, Mars black. So let's open all of them and see how are these colors. Okay, I already opened all of them, and let's go and fill up all this charge. And let's fill up of water. So the good thing about this brush is that you can absolutely, if you need water, just push and automatically the water come out. So you don't have to wet your brush all the time, because you just can push here and the water is coming out. Okay, let's start it. I think this here that you can absolutely take the metallic supporter is very cool, because you don't have to move them one at a time, so you can take all of them and work with them like that. So I don't gonna use this right now. I just wanna put it away and focus it on this and the chart with the black paper and the white paper. Okay, so I think the metallics the metallic watercolor there are awesome on black paper for sure, but some of them, like the other colors, maybe they will be so good on white too, like this yellow here looks totally awesome. Okay, from here I am going to speed up, okay? So I really love how the colors looks like vibrant in the white one, but I think on black they are gonna be pretty. So I am ready to use them on black, and let's see how they look in here. Okay, I already finished, and I can see how awesome are all the colors on white and on black. I really love it. But today I am going to use white paper for a postcard. So the postcard is a watercolor postcard, okay, by Arteza, and it's a perfect paper. It's not that smooth. Actually, don't should be smooth because it's a watercolor paper, but it's not that heavy watercolor paper. So if you know me, I am crazy about letters and lettering and calligraphy, so I am so bad drawing. I am just wanna try some ornaments because this is the season, and some lettering message. Okay, let's do it. I said, I am really suck at drawing, so I create these very simple and easy ornaments, and now I am trying to fill them up with some of the watercolors here. Maybe I'm gonna use the ones that looks better on white, and after that I am going to letter in something here in the bottom. my idea never was a perfect ornament, because I know I'm so in that, but I am very happy with the colors and how they look so nice. I love it. So to finish, I'm going to use some of this gold to create a little sparkle stars here and there, and that's it. I generally don't like to put so much stuff. I like simple, this simple style. So I just going to add a little of stars, and that's it. Okay friend, this is all. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, and happy holidays.